of class 5. Hope all are well. So welcome to the science class. The topic which we will be learning is habitats and adaptations. So we will learn that what is meaning of habitats and adaptations, and we will see different type of habitats which are found on our earth. So let us proceed. The big idea of our topic is animals have certain special features that are suited for the place they live in. So students, now let us begin with our topic. So first we will see what is meaning of habitat. So habitat is a place or an environment where different type of plants and animals live together. Their basic needs are fulfilled in that habitat and they can produce their young ones, means they can reproduce. So students, basically habitat is the place where particular types of plants and animals live together and all their needs are fulfilled by their habitat. Let us see one example. Like we can say a fish lives in water, thus water is habitat of fish. Polar bear is found in ice cold regions, right? Thus, ice cold region is the habitat of polar bear. So students, I hope meaning of habitat is clear with you all. Now, habitats, there are different types of habitats on our earth and all habitats are not same. All the habitats are different in the terms of the climate, in terms of types of plants which grow there and terrain of the place. So different type of habitat will be having different climatic conditions, and in all types of habitat different types of plants will grow there. Terrain of the place means type of land and physical conditions of a place. They also will be different in each habitat. So students, I hope this is clear that habitats will not be the same. All these features will be different in different types of habitat. There are different types of habitat which are found on our earth. They are deserts, rainforest, grasslands, high mountains, polar regions, oceans and fresh water. These are different types of habitat which are found on our earth. So students, now let us see what is adaptation. Plants and animals are found in every habitat, and particular plants and animals which live in different habitat, they have developed some special features that help them to survive in that particular habitat. So these special features are called adaptations. Let us see an example. We have seen that fish lives in water. So water is habitat of fish, right? Now to survive in water, fish has developed some special features in it. Like they have gills to absorb the oxygen which is dissolved in water. Fish have fins and tail which help them to swim smoothly in the water. So to survive in water habitat, fish has developed these special features, and these special features like gills, fins and tail, they are called as adaptations. So in this way, in different habitats, different type of animals live and different type of plants grow there. All those plants and animals have developed some special features in them naturally which help them to survive in the climatic condition or the particular condition of that habitat. They are called as adaptations. Students, I hope meaning of habitat and adaptations is clear with you all. Thank you so much student. Bye and take care.